Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna create this makeup look right here using the James Charles and Morphe palette. So if you guys want to know how to get this look, just keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, please turn on the bell notifications so you can be notified every time I upload. Now let's get started with the tutorial. Using the Unleash Your Inner Artist by James Charles and Morphe. I am going to play around with all the neutral colors over here. I have been doing a lot of colorful looks, so I want to go back to warm tone looks and everything. Today I did prime my eyes with the P. Louise base in the shade 1. I am going to use a different technique. I'm going to apply the darkest shade and then go to the lightest shade. So let's get started. To pack on the first darkest shade, I'm going to use the Sigma eye shading brush in E55. And this is what it looks like here. I'm going to take the shade Benny and Tea together, those two shades, which is up here. This one and this one. I'm going to mix them together and start packing on the color. This is a big palette, so I'm going to try and show you guys or tell you guys the colors. So I'm going to start packing that on the crease. What I usually don't do, but we're going to try it today and see where it takes me. I'm just going to pack it on. So today I do want to do the cut crease all the way to the outer corner. I'm gonna go with the shade Canvas, and this is the one on the top left corner, the first one here. And I'm gonna apply it all the way to the outside part. I'm going to get a smaller brush. This is the Makeup Shack T2, just to get right into the line all the way up here. That is looking real pretty. And then if you don't want the line to be so out there, you take a little cotton round or a makeup wipe and start wiping away. So I'm just gonna bring it in a little bit more. The liquid liner that I'm using is the NYC liquid liner. I know they don't sell it anywhere, but that's what I have. Let me know of a good eyeliner. I've tried the NYX one, but it's just not cutting it. I don't like it. It cracks a little bit. I need a good liquid eyeliner that has a brush tip, not a felt tip. So this is the NYC liquid liner. I'm taking the shade Canvas again and just applying it on the brow bone part. Even though I don't have that much space right here. I'm going to do the other side off camera, and then we'll come back to the lashes and the lower lash line after I do my face. So I'll be right back. I applied my face makeup off camera. If you guys want details on what I used, let me know in the comments and I'll update my description and I'll list all the products. I did put on some lashes. I used the Luxy lash in Westside again. So I am going to apply the other one on camera for you guys so you guys can see how I apply it. I basically just go in from the top and then I start fixing it from the sides. The glue is still drying from my other eye. Today I did use the Kiss lash adhesive. That one's really good. These are so easy to apply, like seriously, they fit my eye perfectly. And then I usually do get a brush and start poking it down just so it can be in the root, the lash root. I love lashes with the wing. They just look so dramatic. It just makes the look go on another level. It's so nice when you apply lashes. This is what the makeup looks like so far, and I am digging it. Look at that. It's so nice. I did apply eyeliner on the waterline, and I used the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the shade Perversion, and this is what it looks like. And I am just digging it. Now I'm just going to do the lower lash line, and I'm just going to take the shades that I used on the top. The first shade that I'm taking is the lightest shade, which is this one here. And then for the inner corner, I'm going to use this one here so I can make it pop. I'm going to take this Anastasia Beverly Hills brush all the way to the inner corner. And then I like to connect it to the eyeliner around there. And then I just like to build it up. And you don't really want to slide, you want to like tap it in. Do your eyes get watery when you put that on the bottom lash line? Mine do. Now I'm going to take another Morphe brush. It doesn't have a name, it's just really small for the darkest shade. And I'm just going to tap it on the lash line again. Okay. And this one, you don't want to bring it in all the way to the inner corner. You want to keep it on the outer corner all the way to where your pupil is at. So right through the middle. And then I'm going to take the Anastasia brush and blend it out. That is so pretty. Look at the difference that it makes. It just makes it look more sultry. It makes a hell of a difference. And now I'm going to apply the Hourglass Caution Mascara. This is the Extreme Lash Mascara from Hourglass. And and I have the little samples, so I like to get right into the lower lashes. And I just go in with the little tip and just move my lashes around like so. I don't like to put a lot because my lower lashes are so long, so I like to put on a little bit so it doesn't go all over the place. But I am very satisfied with this look. Sometimes I'm not satisfied because I use products that are new to me and that I don't know if they're gonna work, but this is my first time using the James Charles palette and I am digging it. It's really, really nice. It's really pigmented, so I'm just going to do this side off camera and I'll be right back. I really enjoyed this palette. This is amazing. I did enjoy all the neutral shades that I used in this area. I haven't tried the colorful ones. Let me know if you want a tutorial using the colorful colors. But so far, using all the neutral and warm shades, I really, really enjoyed them. They are very, very pigmented. They're not chalky at all, and they don't have a lot of fallout. I really enjoyed this look, especially using it with the P. Louise base. It turned out amazing, and I love how the eyeshadow didn't get all the way to the top by my eyebrows, which I usually tend to do. I do not know why, but this one's blended out really, really nicely. I can't wait to create more looks with this palette. If you do want to see more, let me know. I will definitely do that for you guys in a get ready with me or something, just in another type of video. Make sure you get your hands on it. They run out so quick. So definitely check it out. It is $39 and it's definitely worth it for 39 shades. I hope you enjoyed this eye makeup tutorial, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.